welcome. And today's What Is in My Cleaning Bag, I'm going to show you. What is in your cleaning bag, fellow professional cleaners? Drop it down below. Tag me. I'd love to see what people use to get their space cleaned up. First off, Tovar Spin Mop. You got to go with the Tovar. Microfiber Wholesale Genie sheets today. The bathroom cleaner. I love that the solution comes out in a foamy spray. This is fantastic with Microfiber Wholesale. I'll tag you in the other videos if you want to see it. But this is a reusable bottle, and all you do is just buy a couple more of the sheets and you put one sheet in here and you add water to it, and that's it. You're good to go. You're not always having to buy more bottles. It's minimal waste. Then you got the glass and mirror cleaner, streak free. Love it. Love both of them. These are my bathroom and my glass and mirror cleaners for today. Then I went with my mop soap. Can you see that I've used it a lot? Like literally the words are coming off. I've used it so much. It's the H&W Bathhouse Brazilian Sun Goddess. Let me tell you, this smells so good. It's a concentrated mop soap, so a little bit goes a long way. Brazilian Sun Goddess smells like a coconutty, beachy, clean pina colada sipping on the beach with the waves hitting you type of mop soap. Like if you want to walk into your home and still keep the summer vibes going, get the H&W mop soap Brazilian Sun Goddess. I'm going to link it down below. I don't know if they have this scent anymore. This will last a long time. My client has stainless steel refrigerator, so you know I gotta go with my Therapy Clean stainless steel refrigerator cleaner and polish made with lavender essential oils. This smells so good. It's plant-based, fingerproof resistant. I love that. Family owned and operated. Stainless steel cleaning. You need to grab this one. It smells so good. Love this thing. It's my baby. I love it. Jaws, my Just Add Water system. This is an amazing company that literally you just add water. So what you do is you buy the little tubes, you put the tube in here, and the tube has the concentrated cleaner. The liquid comes out, you add water, shake it up, and then you have your cleaning solution. Then when this bottle is all empty, you buy another tube and you just put it in the same bottle and you refill the bottle. I am all about refilling the same bottle. And you're not buying another huge plastic bottle to refill. You're buying a tiny little tube and you just put it in here and you just add water. Because you know that cleaners are 99% water, and then it's whatever the cleaning solution is. So make it at home. I love it. It has a very florally lavender pretty. It smells like perfume. Force of Nature EPA registered disinfectant. Why I love that it's EPA registered. EPA stands for the Environmental Protection Agency, and it's registered through them to be a certified, legitimate disinfectant. So not just a cleaner, but a disinfectant. It will kill germs, viruses, bacteria. It will kill the COVID one, the flu, stomach bugs, all those yucky things. Right in here, baby. No artificial dye, so you know I love that. The coolest part is that you make it at home. You buy the either glass bottle, they have a plastic bottle, and it comes with a little beaker thing, like for your kit. And then you just get the little tubes, and the little tubes have vinegar and salt. So the water, the vinegar, and the salt all gets electrolyzed, and it makes a hypochlorous acid, which is the same chemical that our body makes with our white blood cells. And what that does is, in our body, it helps fight off germs, viruses, and bacteria. So you get the same immune boosting power that's in our body in this, plus an all natural detergent type chemical to help cut grease, grime, and dirt. I mean, hello, Force of Nature. If you're looking for an eco-friendly cleaner and disinfectant in one, and it's not overpowering smell, it has a very light chlorinated bleach scent, but you don't get the toxic fumes. You don't get the bleach. You don't get all that yuck stuff with this. This is a lot cleaner and a lot better for you, and I just love it. Mwah, I love it. So you can get the glass bottle, you can get the plastic bottle. I can clean windows with this. I can clean mirrors. I can clean counters. I can clean surfaces. I don't just have to use this to disinfect the toilet. I can clean counters as well. Force of Nature. It's worth every penny. A multi-purpose, eco-friendly, hospital grade too. This is the same type of solution that hospitals can use to disinfect with. Hospital grade disinfectant. Amazing. And you need to grab it with my link down below. But those are the cleaners that I went with today. Let me know what you used. Let me know what you like to use. Drop some comments down below. And if you see any of those affiliate links down there, grab them. I'll earn some commission. Thank you very much, Crunchy Cleaning by Kathy.